My heart
Oh my God!
Diba?
May!
So this is the look for today. Nagmamadali na naman kami. Kausap ko si Tony dyan. Andyan siya. And then, this is the look. Ayan, ito yung red. And then earrings from Forever 21. Tapos, like, low-key look lang. So, kailangan naka-t-shirt muna tayo papunta. Tapos, like, babaunin natin yung damit natin. Pamalit. Am I right?
You are right. Ang tulog ko, parang nag-alarm. Di ba kasi alarm ko parang madami siya? So, mga 9 gising na ako. Tapos nag-alarm pa ako. Parang nag-snooze ako.
Ako din, 9 gising na ako. Tapos, di ba, hilo ako. Swimming ako eh. So, ayan, nagpalit na kami ng shirt kasi sabi, yun na yung outfit. So, pinatong ko na lang siya. And then, for my makeup today, same pa rin as yesterday. Ginamit ko lang tong Super Face. And I'm currently selling this sa Kara Shop right now. So, I'm just gonna put the description box. I mean, yung info about it sa description box sa baba. And, ayun. Hi! How's your sleep? Tired! Siyempre wala na kayo nakikita, diba? So, mamaya na lang. Mamaya na nga. Mamaya na nga. Enjoy nyo na lang muna yung mukha. So, Nick is here already. Taste mukbang Tony Sia. Baka mali yung gawa mo. Ah. Tik na kami babangga, besh?
Nang?
Ito? Oo. Anyway, we're already here. Hindi ko na-gets. Wala akong na-gets sa mangyayari. So, nandito na kami for makeover. Pero separate groups kami. And then... Ano bang ganap? Hindi ko alam sabihin ko. Okay, this is the finished look. And then Sabrina is teaching her some, like, poses. And then this is my team. This is my team. Yes.
Okay, final 2 minutes.
So that's the one we made. So cute. Very girly. So right now we're on our way naman sa UFC of Women. We're so tired. And then ito na kasi yung grand opening. Ito yung highlight ng kung ba't kami nandito. So ayun. Andun na si Ate Rai. Kanina sinabi ko like hindi ka naka-make dun sa unang bubble tea event eh.
Oo, pero humabol ka, pero sobrang mabilis ako.
Hi! There, yun yung grand opening. So cute. Reminds me of Blackpink. Okay, so the shop is now open. Tapos pupunta lang kami sa store kasi we're gonna take pictures lang. And then kami, nakakuha lang kami ng pictures. So I'm gonna post that on my Instagram. So we're currently in the shop and then Ray's planning on getting that kasi 1.8 lang siya, diba?
Ang liit. Ito
Yeah.
kasi like ang laki
This one is bigger. Tapos parang this one's perfect for girls. I think that's... How much is it? 100. Okay, alright. So, I got that pants lang. Para lang may pants ako kasi mahilig ako sa pants. Hi guys, sorry hindi ko kayo parating na-update kasi parating
ka nag-update eh.
diba? Oo, parating nila kaming minamadali. So, anyway, so ngayon, pupunta na kami sa dinner namin. Late dinner namin. Ay, yan yung boy.
Oh shit, oh shit.
na-update, pero nasa CR ako ngayon, and I decided na dito na lang mag-vlog kasi maingay na sa labas, so baka ma-copyright tayo or anything. But then anyway, I'm just at my farewell dinner. Ang bago na. Ang bago na lalabas na ako. Basta nasa farewell dinner kami ngayon. And then, yeah, farewell dinner lang. It's like a club or a bar. It's a bar. So ngayon, na-announce na yung winner nung giveaway. Ay, nung winner. So we won 700 USD!
Bestie! Congratulations!
Yay!
Congratulations!
These are my teammates! We won! Oh, we're out of formation. Yay!
一条心。耶！
Okay, we're leaving now. Bye-bye, God! Bye! We're on the way home na, tapos magpapack na kami ng things. And then, yun na yun. Do it for the vlog. Ba?
So good.
Yeah. It's fine. Anyway, it was nice meeting you.
Bye-bye.
Bye! When I visit Taiwan, I'm gonna message you.
Please. Oh, I miss it too.
So I got back from the hotel already. Oh! I always forget to take cute pictures with this film. Kasi ang dami kong ginagawa. Like IG story, tapos vlog. Tapos di ko na naiisip yun. Tapos parating nagmamadali. Ganun, like wala na kaming time to do everything. Nahanap ko lang yung lagayan ko ng contact lens. Kasi, guys, for those of you asking na kung ano yung contact lens ko, it's from EO. Kaso I don't recommend it. Kasi, ang bilis niya you always have to put yung eye drops para like magbasa siya. I'm gonna remove my makeup and then edit ko yung mga pictures na kinuha namin ni Ray. So, balikan niyo ako. balikan ko kayo. I'm just gonna remove my makeup. Anyway, last day na namin ngayon. It's currently 6:56 kasi may flight kami ng 10 AM. And pababa na kami kasi 7 AM yung call time. So, goodbye, cute room. Like, once ko lang nagamit yung pool. Tapos, sobrang quick lang. Anyway, ayan. May layover lang kami sa Changi Airport ng 3 hours. Tapos, yung dating namin sa Philippines is 6:35. So, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo. That's my room. And then, ito parati yung view ko. Sobrang pretty, sobrang presko, especially in the morning. It's cute din pala itong gabi. So, it's breakfast time. It's currently 8:18. Breakfast with the view. Hi! Fresh naman. We arrived in Changi Airport already and then we're just gonna transfer and then mag-lunch lang kami dito. I was not about to buy the blush. Kasabog lang dumating si Ate Raisa. Sabi niya, sana pabili ako ni Ate Raisa. Ate Raisa's right there. Napabili niya ako. Silang dalawa pa yung sumabi sa akin.
Yeah, manager.
Ito naman hindi ko na binibitawan yung bag ko.
Nawala yung bag niya. Hindi na kayo na-update. Andiyan yung pangkabuhay iPad, camera.
Nakakandado na siya.
Anyway.
Pero may bago. Pag
ayan.
McDonald's, susubukan natin yung mga bago
Okay,
lang dito.
Ayan.
Kung
Pero,
mapipindot siya.
ang tagal mapindot eh.
Hindi na.
Siguro feeling ko,
Yes,
light
like
lang.
that. Yan.
Ayan. Okay, so right now, yay! The goods are there! Before kami mag-board, sa McDo lang kami for lunch. So we got chicken and then mock chicken. Tapos the signature collection. Then yun silang dalawa. Yan.
Kain din ako, guys.
Yay! Yun, ganyan na pala yung immigration ng Philippine passport dito. And then I just arrived. Ayan ang haba ng pila. So, I'm back. And then sinundo lang ako ni Matt. Matt's here. And, ayun, nakarating ako. Anong oras na ba? Ano yan? Ba't 1919? Ano yung 1919? 7.
Yeah.
7:19. Tapos alam mo ba, yung parang immigration na doon is, alam mo yung machine na, hindi na tao.
Mm-hmm.
So parang nagulat kami nung time na yun. Anyway, natuwa lang naman kami. Sobrang bilis na lang. Kaya mabilis lang rin ako nakababa. Anyway, so, ayun, I'm gonna end this vlog na. And I hope you guys enjoyed it kasi I enjoyed the trip. It was fun. I met a lot of influencers. So, thank you so much, Kairos. And thank you so much, Christina K, for inviting me. And, ayun, see you on my next vlog. Bye! Say bye! Bye!